Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different designs of pre-classroom decoration designs. These are craft designing ideas for your children classroom. Then this video will be very beneficial for you. The designs of decorating I have added to my video are very trendy nowadays. If you like my video, please let me know in the comment box. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care of yourself and take care of your beloved ones. Thank you so much.